Hey, baby. It's me. I know you're probably working right now. I just wanted to call you and tell you I love you. Keep changing this city, baby. I love you. I'll see you tonight.
Might come back, check it up. Might come back, check it up. They call me Bird. Might come back, check it up. Like, ooh, yeah.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's kind of a weird start. I'm in my car right now. I'm going to meet up Ryan, Tyler, and Kogan at the skate park, actually. And I'm on my scooter, believe it or not. If you guys didn't know that about me, way back when I used to ride scooters, and I actually got pretty good at it, but I stopped because I broke my leg, and then I kind of just floated towards cars. So yeah, but I'm gonna go over there, meet them up. We're gonna ride for a little bit. They've been there for a little while waiting for me. Excited. It's been like a couple years now, so since I've been at a skate park, which is cool. So I'll catch you guys there. I'm gonna enjoy some music while I drive. It's a beautiful day out, so catch you guys soon. Tyler, look at the lineup. Woo!
Yo, cup flip, ready?
Woo!
No. full cut.
Coke, how you doing? How you been?
What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day. We're chilling,
Yeah,
you know?
it's been a while since we've vlogged, since Tuner Evo Galleria. God damn it, I always get that mixed up. Whatever.
Yeah.
You're on the wrong side of town, Hans.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you too over there. Alright. Yeah. We've been here chilling for like the past hour and a half already. I've gotten like no clips. We gotta get some sick clips before we leave. But again. Woo! Oh yeah? Oh! Hey, Ryan.
Fucking A, man. Who's your asshole?
Go for it, baby.
He's kind of in the danger zone. Yeah.
Send it on the skate.
Sponsor me. Pressure.
Oh! Fuck with that! Just deciding on what to do here. Go for it. Oh! Somehow, while we were riding Tyler's scooter, the wheel just magically popped off.
Yeah, and you know what? I ride it hard as hell, and like it never has popped off of me like that.
Anybody need anything?
So
It's because Kogan was riding like a put. Hey, don't say that.
Hey, I'm lucky you just sits in my room now. I focus on this more than I focus on
Yeah.
that. Okay?
We just came out to just ride.
Kind of just like it went from a scooter to a car real quick.
Yeah. That's what I was telling the people on the vlog when I started it. I'm about to leave the skate park right now. I gotta get some stuff done at home, and then I'm gonna head to the gym. God, I can't speak right now, but we're gonna get that done, and then we're all gonna meet up at the wash or something. Me, Tyler, and Kogan. We're gonna roll to the meet, so I'll catch you guys soon. All right, typical Tom schedule or Lilfaf schedule. We're running late. I just pulled up to the wash. It's already like 40 minutes past the time that we're supposed to be there. But we got Connor here in the vlog again.
Yeah, yo.
What's up? You didn't even know I was vlogging. Know where we're here. He's already washed. Oh, bro.
I got some for you.
Ooh, you better let me use that. Oh yeah, I definitely need that. But she's looking fresh. All right, I gotta get started, guys. So I'm gonna quickly get started on this. Let's go. The wash. Quickly drying her off. Got Connor helping me here.
You already know G35 gang shit.
Let's get it. All right, so I just finished cleaning her up. She's looking real nice, except for that fender, but gives it some characteristics there. She's all clean, ready. We got Kogan's whip right here, not there. That's fucking Connor's.
Yeah, Condor, nigga.
Condor. We're about to roll out, meet up with Tyler, so let's get it. It's all the way in Naperville, so let's go. You guys couldn't hear me, or can't see me if I flip the camera because there's not really any lights, but we got the whole crew, we got a whole lineup of people cruising right now. We're a little bit fashionably late, but you know, that's what it's about. Showing up a little bit late, but there's hella people there from people that are already there that I'm hearing from, so can't wait to go there. Can't wait to be there, so let's get it. We made it. Hella people here. I'm excited to walk around and see everyone, so let's get it. I just gotta put on my hoodie, so.
That truck's gonna try and do it again.
Woo! Woo!
Fucking clean.
For real! Car meet of the
Yo,
season,
what's up?
boys.
What's up,
Let's
guys?
go. Let's go.
Shit hype as fuck.
We're in a We're fucking lit. Hey!
Hey, yo, look at this fucking
Let's go, guys. Damn! Look at that.
1,002.
Damn, that rap though.
Oh, dude, Justin would be heartbroken, bro. Look what's in front of you.
Yeah, did I tell you Trevor came by the house today?
Okay, look at that. Oh! Scion, alright.
That car was at the 2.
Over there, yeah. I remember that one. By the way, I really like this hoodie still. Damn, we gotta come up with something like this.
No, bro, hey, look at this car. Look at this car. This is like...
This shit, that shit's dope. Woo. We got another.
We only got one wheel.
Look at this S2K right here.
Yeah, I'll say one tire.
This shit's raw. Wide body. What kind of wheels?
Look who it is, Tom.
Oh! That's on my keys, Code! Who? Where?
Oh shit!
Steve! We got Steve here. I gotta say what's up to him. Oh, he's got the same reverse lights as me. Hey, Steve, what's up? Damn.
Thing is sick.
Yeah, no, isn't that the company you were talking about for the side splitters, rear diffuser, and everything?
Street Hero.
Hell yeah, this thing's real clean. Everybody's doing burnouts. We got a fire truck and an ambulance pulling up. Thinking there's probably a fire or some shit. Oh god. Oh, right in front of me, Kogan. That looks fucking sick, dude. That's just like right in front of our eyes and we didn't even notice it.
Damn, this thing's like full build, dude.
Alright, we all got it, dude. Everybody was doing burnouts and shit. Popo showed up, posted up right in front of our cars. We can't get out of here. What the heck? But alright,
Let's go.
we're gonna street, I guess. We're gonna see what's going on over there because it's closer to home. So,
Alright, I'll follow you.
alright. We meet hopped. We're now on Lake Street. T Squad. Hell yeah. Oh, he's got the same light as I do.
Oh, he's got the motor on it.
That's decent. This meet's a little bit more lit than the other one. Hell fucking yeah. This is dope. We found some decent ass 350 with some carbon over fenders. Woo. This little intercooler here. Damn, it's so dark out over here. Okay. That's a Pro Charger, right? Yeah. ATV's riding around. Hey! Woo! Alright. About each other's exhaust here. And we're talking about Connor's exhaust over here. But if you look under here.
Hold on. Hey.
Okay. Well, before we continue that, let's see if this man can do a donut. Oh! Okay, guys, so we're all cruising back. End of the night here. I don't know, this vlog was kind of all over the place. I didn't get too many clips, but just decided to record something, at least post something on YouTube. Keep you guys updated what we're doing. We're all just kind of chilling, so nothing too serious, but we do have a lot of stuff planned for our cars, so yeah. I'm really happy to see everyone that is on my Instagram being active, on YouTube being active. Really dope. Really thankful for all of you guys that are following me and like keeping up with the whole crew and everything. That's really cool.